Hey guys, it's Kaylee. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out some NCT. We're going to be doing the NCT U new song, Rain Day, and I'm pretty sure it's with Kun, Taeil, and Young. And I am so excited for this. I feel like we've been waiting forever for this, but I am so pumped. I am excited to see the music video and then also hear the song. But yeah, we got Taeil with his vocals, Kun with his producing and everything, and then Young, I feel like he can do both. He's an excellent rapper, but his vocals are so nice too and soft. I love them so much. But I'm interested to see how this sounds and then how the music video looks. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, is this gonna be like smooth vocals? They all look so good already. I like those snaps.
Take me to the place, to our days where we had space and a little more time.
Okay, I haven't watched any new NCT music videos or like new music lately. I am missing Taeil's vocals so much. He sounds so good.
But we should never change, and no time to waste, spending no hours dreaming of you.
Kun's voice is so nice too. It's like such a light voice. Ooh, okay, that contrast right there with his deeper voice. Is this all English? Okay, this video is so cute.
You got me higher when the rain starts, you end up on my mind.
Ooh, those foot snares are good.
You every day and night, losing my sleep. I won't let you go. There ain't no other way to tell you how I'm feeling. How big or small.
I love the graininess kind of that's over this video. Okay, I love how they're doing that with Taeil and Kun, and they switch to Young, who has that deeper voice. It gives it such a contrast. It's so nice.
I can feel the drip drop, we're falling like a rain show. Listen up so I can be the one to. Yeah.
And they have those vocals still in the back too.
Falling down all night, driving down your way tonight. I don't care about it. Baby, you should realize I'ma be there whenever you like. For your always down all night. On that way to you, 'cause I'm meeting you right in my eyes. The rain got me thinking about the days we've had. I need to know, baby. Take me back to you, just take me back to you.
This gives me like 90s slow jams mixed with like pop electric music. It's such a nice mix. And those claps. Okay, we're definitely watching this again. I love that song. The instrumental in that is totally my style, like that slow jam, but like it had such a like poppy kind of feel too, like with that electronic kind of music in the back too, like all the swelling and everything. They did amazing on this. The vocals were so good, and I love when they went to the falsetto, like the higher register, and then Young did the like lower kind of parts mixed with the rapping too. But so good. I love the whole style of this. If you can see how it has like that graininess effect on it, like film. And it's all English. So good. I did not expect that.
Take me to the place.
When that comes in,
Take me to the place. 2 hour days, where we had space and a little more time.
the dog is so cute.
But we should never change. Ain't no time to waste. Something no, I was dreaming of you. Like the rain falling.
Those snaps are so nice.
All these memories in my mind. I can't help but fantasize.
Ooh, I love that little effect on that too. It's like that submerged kind of feeling.
Every moment that we've had was a blessing in disguise. All the days, how big or small, how close, how far. You made everything feel new, yeah. And I owe it all to you, babe. Take me to that place. Put it down, let it go, feel the love, all the voices.
I love his flow on here. These different switch ups.
Falling down all night, driving down your way tonight. I don't care about a night. You should realize I'ma be there whenever you're needing me always. Down all night, I'm waiting you 'cause I'm needing you right in my eyes.
Their voices mix so well together.
Any day I got you, baby. Girl, make me better. The way you got me higher. When the rain starts, you end up on my mind. I don't wanna be missing you every day and night. Losing my sleep, I won't let you go. There ain't no other way.
This is such a cute video too. I love the color choices they use in this.
How big or small, how close, how far. You made everything feel new, yeah. And I owe it all to you, babe. I can feel the drip drop, we're falling like a rain show. Listen up so I can be the one to, yeah, show you how to love. Falling down all night, driving down your way tonight. I don't care about
I love how there's that affliction on it.
down your way tonight. I don't care about a baby, you should realize I'ma be there whenever you like. For your always down all night. I'm waiting you 'cause I'm needing you right in my eyes. The rain got me thinking about the days we've had. I need to know, baby. Take me back to, just take me back to when it rains.
Yeah, I really love that electric sounds in the back.
Take me back to when rain is falling down all the time. Every time we go, falling down all night.
So good. They did such a good job on that song. I loved how all of their vocals sounded together. It was so nice when they sang like in unison, especially during that chorus part. Was so good. Kun and Taeil's voices mixed so well together. I feel like Kun has a little bit more breathiness than Taeil does, and it works so well. And then Youngang, I love how he was pretty much that like bass kind of throughout the whole song. He had that like lower voice that really set apart from those other two, and I love that. It made him stand out a lot more, and I love how he got more of the like rapping parts too, but it was very melodic rap. It wasn't very harsh or anything, so it fit the smoothness of the song so well. It was so good. In that video, I liked how it kind of had that like film kind of feel. It had all the bright colors that were in it were kind of toned down brightness. It was so good. And then I love the effects like throughout. It had that kind of, it wasn't intense like grain or anything, it was just very slight, so it did have that kind of nostalgic feeling to it. But it was so good and so cute. The dog, it was so cute too. Yeah, I love this. I can't wait for more NCT Lab stuff to come out. I think Jaehyun is the next one doing it, or at least that's what I've seen. But I am so excited. I love the song too. It had that very like slow jam feel, but it also had like that electronic kind of feel too. So it was kind of those two genres coming together, which I really loved, because it kind of worked in its way, like how the video felt nostalgic. This song did too. But props to all of them because they did so good on this. And yeah, I can't wait to see even more and hear even more from all of them and all of NCT in general. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.